Good morning students. Today we will learn lesson number 3 more on MS Word 2010. In this video we will see how to work on mail merge. You can send the email using mail merge. You can print document and edit any document in the mail merge. Again, what is the function and advantages of mail merge? Suppose if you want to send a letter or an invitation card to many people, it will take a lot of time and efforts if the same letter is prepared separately for everyone. Mail merge is a feature in MS Word that is used to create multiple personalization letter. It saves a lot of time as you do not need to change the information for the new recipient again and again. No need to typing same letter. So this is the function of the mail merge. So let us start with the sending email using the mail merge. So what do you need to send email to the multiple people? Multiple people, you should data have some place. It can be Excel or Outlook in database. Otherwise you can enter data, that particular people's data in your sheet. Then first we will start mail merge. How to open? Click on start button, go to the MS Word 2010, then open it your any letter or type it any letter or invitation card. Now already I type, that's why I am opening my letter. It is my letter. Invitation card. It is my invitation card. It is the invitation for the party. So I want to send this same letter to many person, many people. Then again and again I am not typing here. At a time, in one time, I have to send this letter to the many people. What I do then? First, we will click on the mailing option. Here is mailing tab. And after clicking on the mailing tab, you have to click on the start mail merge. If you will click on the start mail merge option, then you will get here one option, that is the step-by-step mail merge wizard. And after clicking on this option, you will get this option. Okay. Then you have to click on this where? On a letter. Letter is the default option. Then also you can click in this way. Okay. Select it letter and then click on the new starting document, next starting document. After clicking on the next starting document, you will get here three options. One is the use the current document, start from a template, start from existing document. It is our current document, already we type, that's why we will select use the current document. And after that, next select recipient. For sending the invitation card, we will select the recipient. And then here this option will come, use an existing list, select from the Outlook contact and type a new list. Okay. If you have list, then you can select this, use an existing list. But I don't have list, that's why I will select type a new list. Okay, type a new list. And then create. After clicking on the create, you will get this box. And you have to add here whenever you are sending this invitation card, you have to send that people information. Here is title. In a title you have to write Mrs., Miss. Okay, like this. Second one is the first name. You have to write that particular people first name. second one is the last name, third one is the last name. You have to write that particular people's surname, company name, address one, like this information you have to type. Now I am typing here. Miss. Okay. Miss. Then next is the Namrata. Then Phulley. Okay. Then here address. Any address you can write here ABC. Okay. Next, for a next entry, you have to write here new entry. Then again Miss. Then next is the Megha. Then Dangre. Next company name. Then ABC, like this. Next new entry again. Hema. Okay, sorry. Here you have to write Miss. Then next Hema. Then here yes I am using. Then any address you have to type like this. Okay. After that you have to click on the OK button. You have to enter the data and click on OK button. You will get this dialog box and you have to write here recipient name or any name you have to write for save. I will write here my name Prerana. Okay, and then RECEPIENT recipient. Next, click on desktop. I am saving this list on desktop and click on save. So you can get here your name. It is the source data and it is the last name, first name, title and here address. Okay. Next what you have to do, click on the, after getting to this information you have to click on OK. Now we will click on OK and then after that click on the write your letter and you will get here different option and you have to click on the more item. After clicking on the more item you will get here this dialog box. Now you can see here after clicking on the title option, insert it, you will get this. You can title, then first name, insert it, then last name, insert it, like this, city, insert it. Okay, then you have to close it. After that you have to close it this. Next we will see now our data. Preview your letter. You can see here Miss Namrata Phulley. Okay, automatic here name come and next for a next you have to click here, name automatic will come. Next Hema Singh, like this name will come. Is it clear? Means automatic you can type 3 or 4 letter in a one place, or you can send this letter to the many peoples, one letter and you can send to the many peoples. Okay, thank you.